today you are going to be learning all about the Silk Road, which was a trade route that stretched all the way from China to Europe and then even into parts of Africa. The journey along the Silk Road was incredibly difficult, but it was well worth it for traders who are interested in exchanging both goods and ideas. Today you are going to watch a video, complete a read to learn, and then practice some vocabulary words on Quizlet so that you can understand the impact that the Silk Road had on the world. Here's a reminder of the 4 steps you need to complete in order to successfully finish your module for today. Step number 1 is to go to your Do Now. Under classwork, you will see all your Do Nows. Today is 4/27, so you're going to click and then complete it right here. Second step is you are going to respond to your collaboration question. Remember, collaboration questions are always under Stream. I see right here is 427 collaboration question. Answer right here. Step number 3 is to complete your lesson. If I click on classwork, and then I go to 427, that's Do Now, 427 lesson. I'm going to click there, fill out my lesson there, and then last step is your mastery check. Remember, your mastery check, you can always find the labeling in 2 places. The first page of your lesson, and then the very last page of your lesson.